Welcome to Nnresgi Group of Institutions, Department of Civil Engineering. Myself, Suresh Kumar, Assistant Professor in Department of Civil Engineering. In today's lecture 8, I am going to explain about the difference between prismatic compass and surveyor compass. What is prismatic compass and what is surveyor compass we have seen in the previous class, but what is the difference between among these we are going to learn here. If you observe, in prismatic compass, the graduated circle is fixed to board type needle. Hence, it will not rotate with the line of sight. Here in the surveyor compass, the graduated circle is fixed to the box, hence it is rotates with the line of sight. Now there is a prism at viewing end. At viewing end, there is no prism, there is only a slit. What happens means, here for prismatic compass, there is a prism at where we are the eye vein, where we want to view of that particular station, there will be a prism where we are viewing that there will be a prism, whereas in the surveyor compass there is only a small opening that is called slit that will be available in the surveyor compass. Sighting and reading can be done simultaneously in prismatic compass. Sighting and viewing cannot be done simultaneously in surveyor compass. In the magnetic needle do not act as index. The magnetic needle acts as index while reading. We reading the measurements. Whatever the bearings we are collecting in surveyor compass, we are going to measure that readings as a index readings. The graduation are in whole circle bearing. The graduations are in quadrilateral system. We are going to learn what is this whole circle bearing and what is the quadrilateral bearings. That quadrilateral bearing is also called as reduced bearing. So that whole circle bearing means your angle will be start from 0 to 360 degrees. That is called whole circle bearing, whereas quadrilateral bearing is of 0 to 90 degrees. That will be in the northeast, southeast and southwest and northwest. The readings will be taken as in quadrilateral system. Graduations are marked inverted since its reflections is read through prism. Whatever the values we are taking from the graduated circle, that is inverted, and reflection is read through prism. That whatever the reflection will be read by using that prism which is available at prismatic compass. The graduations are marked directly, they are not inverted. That is reverse of this prismatic compass in surveyor compass. The reading is taken through a prism. The reading is taken by directly viewing from top glasses. See, whatever the reading we are collecting on the prismatic compass, we take with the help of the prism. Whatever the bearings we were collecting from the compass will collect through the prism, whereas in surveyor compass we collect that directly. The mirrors will be placed on the surveyor compass. With the help of that mirrors, directly we can take that readings or bearings from that mirror. Tripod may or may not be used. It can be held on stretched hand also. See, the prismatic compass not required tripod. Okay, that that required, the tripod is not required. Even you can place that prismatic compass on your hand and you can take the readings and you can coincide the station of A or B or C, and we can take that bearings and you can note down that the bearings in your field book. So in tripod is essential for the usage of this surveyor compass. See, when you are using this surveyor compass, you should have the tripod. The tripod is nothing but there will be a three legs. The three legs, on the three legs, and there will be at the top there will be a fixing of this prismatic compass. Okay, the where there will be a provision is provided at the top of your tripod where we are going to fix this surveyor compass or prismatic compass at the top of the tripod, and we are going to take the readings after fixing that surveyor compass on the top of your tripod. If for surveyor compass, the tripod is more essential. Without the tripod, we can't take the readings by using this surveyor compass. So these all are the differences between this prismatic compass and surveyor compass. Not only this, there are some other differences. If you remember, all these 8 points is enough to differentiate this prismatic compass and surveyor compass. So by this I want to end this lecture 8, and I will explain you what is meridian, what is true bearing and magnetic bearing in the next class. Okay, thank you one and all.